Hi guys, have you ever wanted to have a sound system on your small boat? If that's the case, it's a perfect video for you. So that's me making the holes to mount the two speakers in the front. The speakers that I'm using are Yamaha weatherproof speakers that I got for $40 on Marketplace, which is a pretty good deal. After that, I'm connecting the wires, putting some dielectric grease to make sure that the connection don't rust, attaching the wires, and cutting the metal to make the support for the amplifier. The amplifier that I'm using is a Pyle boat amplifier. It's completely waterproof, and the cool thing about this one is that it comes with Bluetooth, so I don't need to connect any wires to my phone. It's perfect. It also comes with special little functions like bass adjustment, treble, etc. After that, I'm drilling the holes to mount the support for the amplifier and adding some reinforcement to make sure that's really strong and durable. To mount the amplifier itself, I'm just using 4 Phillips screws. After that, just connecting the power and the speakers with dielectric grease. And before going on the water, just a quick oil change on the lower unit and we're ready to go. The project was to basically just install a small sound system on this boat, as you can see. So the main part of the sound system is the 2 speakers that you can see right there. What I did is I just mounted with big bolts onto the metal bar that was already there. The second part of the sound system is the amplifier. It's right there. And I just made these mounts right here, as you can see, so it's pretty solid. This switch is to control the power source, so I can turn it on or off. And it's connected to my main electric box on the boat. So it's powered by the battery and the alternator when the motor is running. So I just connected it to a junction point right there with the main power switch. So when I turn it on, all the accessories turn on. You can hear the speakers turn on too. So it's pretty simple actually. So what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna put this little boat in the water. We're gonna test the sound system, see if it works well with the engine. Of course, the engine makes a lot of noise, so it's not ideal, but when you're not moving, it can be cool. So that's a little bit unusual, this method to put the boat in the water. But I don't wanna go to the boat ramp because we have to use the car and it's long. So we're just gonna push it in the water manually. It's gonna be hard to pull it back after, but we do it all the time, so it should be fine.
And my shirt is on. Yeah, but it's smart for you to dry it fast because it's always wet. So you put the middle seat.
Hit any rocks, so I'll just go easy. Okay, we need a royalty-free music. Alright guys, so it's August 10th, Sunday, 2025, with this random guy. I don't even know who that is. I've never, first time I met him, he has a fear of rock. On the water, we're filming a video for Project Central. And this is a speaker video.
I'm just gonna trim the motor up because I don't want to hit the front.
We have everything we need here. We got the chips, essential for survival. You got your backpack, tank is full of gas. Let me know if you see any rock. There's a rock?
No, there's no rocks, but it's really, really low.
Yeah, actually, let's test the ground, okay? I'm on the ground. It's not really deep here. Oh, there's a rock here. Alright, so we're heading towards the tower right there. See at the exit.
hope the water is gonna be deeper there, because here, oh, it's getting deeper here, a little bit deeper.
We're heading toward the tower over there?
Yeah,
Hey, we still have a long way to go. Eh?
yeah, the water's gonna bring us there. I'm just helping the boat. Oh, now it's getting deeper. Wow, we're good now. Alright, let's climb that shit. He probably thinks that we hit a rock. What a legend, that guy.
Yeah.
I hope for him that it's deeper there, huh? Oh, look at this rock.
Yo, this is nasty. There's no way I am going through that.
Alright, so everything went really well. The sound system worked perfectly. We went to the tower right there, the lighthouse. As you can see, there's no waves today. So now we're gonna put back the boat on the trailer and go back home.